Like, I'm gonna show you the setup. I didn't have the time to explain it, but you can see this. We're in a chasers market. These kinds of stocks are doing very well. 2, this thing has big volume. An intraday chart, I'm just gonna show you how textbook this is. You have this range and you had this higher lows for several hours and you get this dollar breakout. Now it could all fail and stop me out at 92 cents, but this thing could go to $1.50, $2. I have no idea why this thing is going up, by the way, and it doesn't really even matter. Yeah, I think Rob has. Yeah. They are actually gonna be. They're getting bought out by Uber. It's flagging because they are. They have a buyout offer by Uber. That's why it's flagging. It's not a great setup. I mean, it could go higher, but it's just be aware. They're gonna get bought out, and it may not have to break out just because it's flagging. All right, Shopify. So you know what? Shopify could be a short. Holy shit, Shopify could be a short here. Yep, I'm gonna short Shopify. It looks great as a short. It's just losing the 20-day. I'm gonna do a starter on it. I'm gonna do a 1,000 share starter. Let's see, 748. 750. No, I'm gonna do a 1,500 share starter here. This is swing short, so I'm risking $10 to potentially make 100 on the downside. I think it's a good risk reward. I'm gonna short more Shopify. Why the fuck not? So I'm short 2,000 shares of Shopify. I'm risking $10. This thing has a $100 downside. It's a good risk reward. It's just losing. I'm just seeing a lot of weakness in a bunch of. I think the market is near a pullback here. I really do. I'm seeing some worrisome signs. Yeah, because the first 30 minutes, the first 60-minute candle is always 30 minutes. Yes, it is by design. So you have 6 candles, sorry, 7 60-minute candles throughout the day. And the first candle is always 30 minutes. Yeah. ZS is already okay. I may size down on ZS today just because I'm anticipating some kind of a pullback. You know what, guys? I'm gonna size down a bunch of stuff in my portfolio. I just sized down SC. I'm gonna size down Fastly. What about Sheg? Sheg maybe also. We're seeing some peak euphoria. When you get euphoria like we've gotten in some certain stocks, like micro caps, after a long run, that's usually a good sign. I'm seeing some of these software names starting to break down. And also these beaten down names, airlines and financials and stuff like that. They're just, you know, in full FOMO mode right now. Like when these things pull back, there's nothing to hold the markets up. So I'm playing defense here. I'm just not really. I just, you know. I can just feel it in my body. You know, have to be cautious. I'm moving SOX will stop up aggressively. mRNA could have a short. I may add to mRNA tomorrow. Needs a little bit more on. Oh, VISL. I think I bought some. Yeah, I bought 400,000 shares of this VISL. Let's go. Let's go. Go to $2. Let's go, VISL. Go to $2. Well, if I'm taking a screenshot, we're definitely gonna pull back. Nah, no more screenshots. You can get a screenshot now and then. It's been a crazy 2-month period. I don't know. I don't even know how many millions I'm up. I just don't know. That's how crazy it is. I need to go back to my logs and check, but I'm up at least 3 million. No more. No, wait. No. Past 2 months. Probably 4 or 5. Just been insane. I refuse to give any of it back. I just refuse. Yeah, that's another one. Tesla, yeah. I sized down a little bit yesterday just to free up buying power. Yeah. So Shopify, it's still holding. If you look at the daily 60-minute chart, it's still holding these higher lows. And if it starts breaking lower, late day, takes out lows a day, I may add even more. Maybe another 500 shares or something. Beyond Meat breakout is failing so far. CCL is failing. Yeah. Interesting times. 5-minute chart. I don't have 5-minute charts on my setup right now. No, it's a 60-minute chart. The highs of this current 60-minute candle. Okay, so one short entry for later after I start streaming on these airlines is if it breaks the lows of the current 60-minute candle. That's one area I would take a starter in a couple of names, like Save definitely, maybe also like something like UAL or DAL or something, or LUV. That could be the first potential entry point or re-entry point on some of these airlines. But I'm not sure. I really hope they go higher and don't give an entry today. Because, you know, tomorrow we're gonna have a 5+ star setup. Oh, nice, VISL. Wow. What if this thing goes to like $2-3? Like, I'm gonna show you the setup. I didn't have the time to explain it, but you can see this. We're in a chasers market. These kinds of stocks are doing very well. 2, this thing has big volume. An intraday chart, I'm just gonna show you how textbook this is. You have this range and you have this higher lows for several hours and you get this dollar breakout. Now it could all fail and stop me out at 92 cents, but this thing could go to $1.50, $2. I have no idea why this thing is going up, by the way, and it doesn't really even matter. Did it have any news today? Nope, I don't see any news on it. Oh, what's VISL doing? Oh, nice. Look, guys, I will get excited if this thing goes to $1.50, $2. What if it goes to $2? I could make like 300-400K on it. I still have 390,000 shares. I only sold 10,000 so far. Like, if this thing, like, you never know. Maybe if it closes strong and maybe gaps up tomorrow. I'm getting ahead of myself, but hey. VISL, okay. In what way? In the way that they're all pieces of shit? Are they both in the piece of shit sector? Look. I like the piece of shit stocks. Don't get me wrong.